Hey y'all, welcome back to Fashion Upward. You read the title, so I hope you got your jeans and t-shirt out so that you can follow along with me if you're interested in seeing how to cut and chop and screw a t-shirt and a pair of jeans. Just continue to keep watching. Hi you all, welcome back to Fashion Upward. I am Teresa Nevels and I am going to be walking you through how to do the DIY trend. As I said in the introduction, if you seen on the runway from last spring and summer or last fall, on the runway there was this trend. So we know that vintage denim in 2020 is a big deal for resort and summer, but if you're not into the whole trend thing or whatever, then I don't know, you probably won't be interested in this type of content. But please do feel free to subscribe to the channel, because there might be something else that you would be interested in. So I'm just going to be walking you through how to DIY and detach a pocket. Now I'm using an old pair of jeans, but if you want to use a new pair of jeans, then go for it. So these are distressed. They are old pair of denim that I purchased back in New York years ago when I used to live there. I think I lived there in 2011. So anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm only gonna do just the one pocket. And then I have an old rocker tee also that I mentioned, and I don't like this part of it. So what I'm gonna do is try it on for you so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I don't like the neck part of it. So if you have something like in your closet where you just kind of want to detach the neck from it and still be able to like wear blazers or something over it, then I'm going to walk you through that and show you how to properly cut off the neck of a shirt and how to properly cut off the back of a pocket, that just for style reasons. Okay, so just keep watching. So I am showing you what it looks like for a full body with the shirt and the back of the pants. So this is what it looks like close up. And then here is the back of the shirt and the bottom half of the shirt. Okay. Here's a closer look at the jeans as well. I'm just going to detach this pocket here. So if you can see that a little bit, you see how when you fold it over it has that dark space? That's kind of the kind of jeans that you want to cut, because it's going to give the jean character once you detach the pocket off of there. So you don't want like just it to be nothing, you know what I mean, like just this color. You kind of want it to add character to it. So if you can find an old pair of jeans that has a dark space right there, then that would be cool, because it will add a lot of character to the cut. So I'm here, you guys. I tried to bring in as much lighting as I could. So we're going to start with this pocket here. So this would be on my right side. So we start with the right pocket. You could cut whatever pocket you choose to cut, but I'm going to start with this pocket here. Okay, so you just want to take your scissors and go under the pocket, and you're going to cut around the pocket. So where you see the stitching, you're just going to follow that outline and cut the whole until you've cut the whole entire pocket off. Or if you want to leave some hanging, hey, that's up to you. So I'm just going to go through with that process now. So here we are, you guys, cutting off. This is the final piece. Voila. So there's your pocket. If you want to keep that, to use it and for future, then that will be fine. So here we go. We have the detached pocket, the detached pocket, the DIY detached pocket. And so you see how you have that transfer, or how it just transitions into this beautiful ombre color. So it goes from light and then it transitions into the dark, and it just adds character to the pant. So that's exactly what I was looking for. So there we go. So I'm going to try them on in the end, and you can kind of see. Now if you want to like fray this, then you can go ahead and do that. But it will just fray on its own once you wash the jean. See all of this fabric right there? What that's going to do is just kind of fray out on its own. So have natural organic just fraying. But if you just want to go ahead and do that before you put them in the washer, then you can do that as well. But over time it will build more character. So there we have it. Okay, easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, before we get started into actually cutting the shirt, I want you all to stop for 1 minute. If you want only the front part of the shirt cut off, then what you need to do is cut the front part of the neck off. What I am doing here is gathering both parts. So I'm gathering the front and the back of the shirt, and I'm cutting around the stitching of the shirt. So if you don't want to do that, then you should just stop. Don't follow along with what I'm doing, because I'm going to cut the front and the back. You just need to cut the front of the shirt and go in a circular motion to go within the lining. Okay, so I'll get back into my true voice of what I was saying originally when I started cutting the garment. Lining, the crew neck, so the crew lining of the shirt. And I'm just getting rid of everything. Now, if you prefer to keep the back of the shirt, then what I would suggest that you would do is maybe stop and go, just take one piece instead of working it together. See, I have both of these together. What you want to do is just lift up the front of the shirt and just cut the front only. But because I want the whole entire neck gone, what I'm going to do is just continue to cut, and you just follow the stitching, follow the pattern. Okay, and voila, there we go. So that's the neck of the shirt gone. Now if you want to cut out the stitching and restitch it, if that's important to you, that you could do that, but I'm not going to do that. And again, this shirt was from boohoo.com, and it was a few years ago, so I pretty much doubt that they have it, but you could still check online. I will link it below. So what do you all think? I think it's really cute. I have it styled here. I could wear it off at the shoulders and give a little bit of room. And then the back of the jeans, you see how the pocket is just gone. I'm going to try to see if I can find a clip online that just shows this trend on the runway, and then I'll pop that right in here after this look. So I'm just pairing it with the Wild Fable coat. You have to click the link for the Valentine's Day to get that coat look. And then we're just going in with the next look, and I have paired with that vintage blazer, and all of these looks are in either one of the hauls that I've done or Valentine's Day look. So I'll link a couple of the videos. Look at me showing out. All right, I'll link a couple of those videos for you all. So yep, we way ahead of the trend, y'all, because I could not find a missing pocket trend online, but I did find those jeans that you seen, which was really cool. I'll probably do that idea. So I'm just going and styling the different coats. So I'll let you guys enjoy this and get some inspiration, get some ideas for your looks, honey.
Y'all don't mind me. I was just acting crazy since it's a spur of the moment to just try on different looks to give you some ideas, to share some ideas with you. I was just basically saying that it was just the Canadian tuxedo, but I couldn't figure out what I was trying to say. So thank you all so much for watching the past videos that I mentioned where the other looks will be somewhere off to the side. So be sure to just click if you're interested in watching that. It would be greatly appreciated. And stay tuned. Let me know what you all would like to see from this channel. Until then, y'all take care. Stay fashionable. Yo, that's what's up.
Okay, for those that are interested, that jumpsuit that I am wearing was a gift from my sister. She purchased it for a Christmas gift, and she got it from express.com. I'll link it below. They probably don't have it anymore. And the Chuck Taylors that you see me wearing are from the Converse store in Guangzhou, China. So I purchased these when I used to live there. These are so cool. I don't wear them often, as you can tell, but I am wearing them for this video for this look. So I will try to link these exact Converse if you like them. It has like the leather, not leather, but kind of like patent fabric feel or patent feel around the base of the shoe. And then on the back it just says Converse All-Star. So on the back it says Converse All-Star. Forgive me because I keep thinking of the viewfinders there. Okay, bear with me, y'all. Alright, so yep, so this is the jumpsuit. It has a little tie. I'll try to do, okay, if you can see like that. So that's what it looks like.